Hoan'ny Masoivohan'i Afrika Atsimo miasa sy monina eto amintsika dia tsara laina tahaka ny toetra izay hananan'ny Nelson Mandela satria dia maro ireo anatra ireo soa izay azo atao hoe napetrany ho an'ny taranaka aty aoriana indrindra ho an'ny firenena izay mandalo krizy raha hoan'ny raha eto Madagasikara manokana indray no asiteny dia nanambara ity diplomaty ity fa maniry ny atongavana any amin'ny fifanarahana politika ity farany fanampanazavana.
Raha ny hevitry ny lehiben'ny Masoivohan'i Afrika Atsimo dia tsara laina tahaka ny toetra tia famindrapo sy mampiavana izay hananan'ny Nelson Mandela.
Africa, I think one of the most important things that maybe Madagascar can take from Mandela was his approach to forgive, to reconcile people. Reconciliation was very important. Also to compromise.
Nambarany fa miaratsy ny fiainana ara-tsosialy sy ara-toekarena eto Madagasikara ka tsy azo tohizana intsony ireo zavatra nisy teo aloha.
That we cannot continue in the way as in the past because the socio-economic situation in the country is deteriorating. The economy is deteriorating. And I think that I believe that in the end that good sense will prevail amongst the leaders of this country to find a solution on the basis of compromise, on the basis of reconciliation.
Nanao ny heviny mikasika ny sazy indray mandrangaranga ampiariny fianakaviam-be iraisam-pirenena raha tsy misintona ny filatsahan-kovidina ireo kandida telo ity lehiben'ny Masoivohan'i Afrika Atsimo ity.
We would like to discuss as the AU, as SADC and as the international community, we would like to discuss and find a political solution instead of having to be forced, or that we will be forced to introduce sanctions.
Arak'izany dia nanamafy ity farany fa maniry ny isian'ny fifanarahana politika mba tsy hisy ny sazy izay miatra mba hivoahan'ny firenena malagasy anatin'ny krizy.